Welcome. If you've ever wondered what XRP is and how it works, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking it down step by step so you can confidently understand XRP and its role in the cryptocurrency world. Let's get started. Part 1. What is XRP? XRP is a cryptocurrency created by Ripple Labs in 2012. It's designed to facilitate fast, low-cost international money transfers. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, XRP focuses on solving a real-world problem, making global payments faster and cheaper. Think of XRP as a bridge currency. It enables financial institutions to transfer money across borders in just seconds rather than days. Part 2. How XRP works. XRP runs on the XRP ledger, a decentralized blockchain technology. This ledger is maintained by a network of validators, computers that confirm transactions without relying on a central authority. Transactions on the XRP ledger are confirmed in 3-5 seconds compared to 10 minutes or more for Bitcoin, plus the transaction fees are tiny, just a fraction of a cent. Part 3. How XRP is different from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now you might be wondering, how is XRP different from Bitcoin or Ethereum? Here's the breakdown. Bitcoin is like digital gold, a store of value. Ethereum powers decentralized apps and smart contracts. XRP, on the other hand, is optimized for payments, making it the go-to cryptocurrency for banks and financial institutions. In fact, Ripple has partnered with over 300 financial institutions worldwide to use XRP as a tool for faster and cheaper transactions. Part 4. Why is XRP important? Traditional cross-border payments are slow and expensive, often involving multiple intermediaries. XRP solves this problem by acting as a bridge between currencies, eliminating the need for intermediaries. With XRP, banks can transfer money instantly, no matter the currency or country. This makes it a game changer for global commerce. Part 5. How to use XRP. Getting started with XRP is easy. First, set up a digital wallet to store your XRP. Then, buy XRP on a trusted exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Once purchased, you can transfer it to your wallet or use it for transactions. It's that simple. Part 6. Future of XRP. XRP's future looks promising, with Ripple continuing to expand its network and partnerships. As more banks and financial institutions adopt XRP, its use case as a fast and cost-effective payment solution will only grow. Closing scene call to action, and that's XRP in a nutshell. A fast, efficient, and scalable cryptocurrency designed to revolutionize payments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and download my free guide, 5 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom After 50. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more tips on crypto and financial empowerment.